You have to remove this wallpaper from the interior panels when you're RV remodeling. Nope. And here's why not. This one was already coming off, so I peeled a little bit more to show you. Underneath all this RV wallpaper on the ceiling and all the walls, you have the interior panels, and they look like this. If you remove these on your own, then you're gonna get a lot of stickies underneath, and the grain is super rough. So that means you will have to sand literally everything in your RV. And yes, you can paint right over this wallpaper. I have quite a few videos on that. But if some of your wallpaper is bubbling up or already coming off, here's what you do instead. I'm doing this one-handed, so I'm gonna show you a little piece. Instead of having rough edges like this, you take your razor and you cut off little pieces. So I'm gonna cut here, and I'm also going to cut here and off the edges right there. Take that piece off so you have a clean line, and you can tell that this part of the wallpaper is still stuck. There's no bubbling and there's no air underneath it. You're going to sand just the edges of the wallpaper and also the interior panel so it's not as rough. You sand the edges in between the two. You can't tell from this video, but it blends so well together if you use the right kind of sandpaper. And then you just paint right over it. You can find those painting tips and tricks on more of my videos on my page.